Guys, back here today with a 1988 Chevy 1500, C1500. We've got a new grille, got some seat covers. It's supposed to be fit real tight. We've got a brake light switch, some spark plugs, window knob, brake cover. And might be it for this car. Oh, some door pins, but it might not be. What's wrong with the door? We'll have to look some more. I was looking. It might not be it. And then also a carburetor oil, throttle body cover. So we'll get all that put on. First thing we're gonna do is get this whole grill off. Now I'll tell you, we're gonna go ahead and take these seats out to do the seat cover. It's supposed to be fitted, so it's supposed to fit real nice and tight. While we do that, we're gonna clean this interior because it's pretty dirty. Now every time I look at this truck, I find something else with it. This is definitely a project truck. It's a good project truck, but this need to kind of flush and feel this radiator fluid. It's not supposed to look like that. So we'll be getting that done. I don't know when, but one day we'll be going through this wiring harness, cleaning it all up, getting a better ground here, better battery hold down. That's not gonna work. So anyway, let me get this camera set up and we'll get to going. Good time to look at your condenser. This one's all kind of ate up, but I don't see it leaking anywhere. Now, compare the old grill to the new grill. Much better. We are going to have to move this lower piece onto here. And the Chevy side. Pretty sick. we'll see what we can't get this cleaned up, look nice. So, that ain't gonna work. So I'll leave this blue, or I'll go ahead and finish black. Real black. Scratch the grill up here. Alright, just marked up here. Paint that black. I'll leave blue. We're gonna get all these nuts and bolts. Go ahead and get them put in something to, you know, get all this stuff off. Some rust, some kind of rust preventative or something. I don't know. Maybe some gasoline even. But anyway, just to get all this rust off. And then we'll get our Chevy badge readied up. I'll run to the store and get that marker light we need, and a reflector light really, and we'll get it put all back together. Alright guys, the grill is back in. Now I've still got to put the marker lights in. I've still got to put the bow tie back on. It's out back drying. Hit it with some Ford Explorer Sport Track gold color. That's what I had. That matchly, it was close to that because I didn't have a blue to match the truck, or that's what I would have done. But I'll get these put back on. Get that put back on. We'll have to order this marker light here. They don't have anywhere local, of course. So when I do that, I'm going to line this up, put something behind it, because the little fitting back there is not there anymore. But I got all the other screws and bolts in, and it's tight. So let's get this back together, and I'll put the bow tie on when it's dried up. All right, well, while we're waiting on that bow tie to dry, the emblem, we're going to go ahead and pull this seat out so we can get it cleaned up in here and get the seat recovered. So you can see this is the cover anyway. It's in pretty bad shape. We'll get to this in a minute, but yeah, the seat belts weren't going to come through, so I just unbolted them right there and over there. And you can see this carpet is disgusting. Seats need to come out anyway when we go to clean it. That's kind of how that new seat's gonna look. I think it's gonna come out pretty good once we get it all tightened up and everything. Alright, well, here it goes. Alright guys, here's the bow tie. We use this 2003 Ford Harvest Gold. It was for a sport truck I used to have. And that's how it came out. You still got a little bit of stuff here, but well, it looks a whole lot better.